The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello, are you looking for a new CRM system? Are you looking for a CRM system which is easy to use, affordable, and proven over the last 30 years? Well, look no further. Let me walk you through briefly the GoldMine CRM system. My name is Tim Wilmot from Wizard Systems. We are a leading independent CRM solutions provider, long-standing provider. We've implemented well over 3,000 CRM installations, mainly in the UK and a little bit further afield as well. We provide the complete service, so consultancy to recommend the right system to you, the right setup of GoldMine, implementation help if you need it, training as well, whether that be at your place, our place, or online, and all the ongoing support as well. So if you're looking for a new CRM system, what can GoldMine give you? Well, it's a ready-made central system for managing all the information about your customers, prospects, leads. It's very customizable as well. Shortly, when I show you the system, the screens can be changed by you. No programming required. It is so easy. You can also implement different levels of security and access in there as well. So if you do need to hide information or make certain information read only, that too is very easy to do in GoldMine. Now, as well as it being a database of all of your prospects and customers and ways of profiling and categorizing those customers, you're using it every day to manage your working day. It's your corporate memory. It's going to remind you when you've got to get back to people, new inquiries to chase up on, orders to process, and so on. You are using it to manage your working day. So there's a diary in the system, and you can use that for prompting yourself and delegating activities to your colleagues as well. So you're actually building up a lovely history of everything that you've done with your customers, including emails to them as well. Talking about emails, there's lots of marketing options in the system. So you must use, it's very important to use your CRM system as a way of then proactively marketing and sending communications to target audiences. So with you being able to profile and categorize your customers very easily, you can build up a list of customers or clients that meet some kind of criteria. And with GoldMine, we link to 4 different mailing options: MailChimp, Constant Contact, Gator Mail, and IntelliClick. So depending on what type of marketing you're doing and the type of integration, the level of integration you want back in GoldMine, we can recommend the right marketing add-on solution for you. Of course, central to any CRM system is, well, not only being a repository of all of your clients' information, prospect information, and your interactions with those people, but also sales opportunities, the inquiries you get, the jobs that you're hoping to get from your clients. They're tracked as opportunities in GoldMine, like another dimension, another screen in the system that allows you to easily track and see all of that information. We do also have options for quoting. So if you want an easier way of managing the sales quote process from start to finish and have it integrated to your CRM system and potentially your billing system as well for invoicing, then please contact us for that. Also, we have some very interesting and attractive options for managing the quote process, yet integrated all tightly into GoldMine. Now, as GoldMine, as well as it being a great sales tool and a marketing tool, it can also be used as a customer service tool as well. Do you have engineers, technicians, help desk people in your company? Well, they too could be using GoldMine for managing their customer support interactions. And the beauty about that then is, if you think about it, you've got all of the customer facing people in your organization all using the one same system. Now, if you don't have support people or customer service people, don't worry. that can be disabled from your system, but it's included anyway in the application, and certainly is very good to consider, not only as a sales and marketing solution. Now, GoldMine, as well as it being a great personal productivity tool, it's a management tool as well. So if you're a manager, if you're a business owner, you'll want to know every day what's happening in your business, activity levels, new inquiries coming in, sales about to happen. Well, GoldMine is going to be the answer to those questions. So without you having to ask people or wait for a report, you can dive into GoldMine and use the dashboards and other metrics in the GoldMine system to help you make decisions, to help you see what's going on, to help you control your business or department more efficiently. And as I say, help you make those decisions. Now, GoldMine has been around a long time, 31 years now, and well over 1 million users every day count on GoldMine. It's represented in a wide range of different types of companies, mainly small and medium-sized organizations, but it's represented in any type of company: IT, telecoms, manufacturing, engineering, service sector, non-profit, government. Is represented everywhere. It's a very flexible CRM solution that can be adapted to any type of company. And attractively, there's a one-off purchase. You're not tied into a subscription. That could be a major cost saving to your business. I'll cover costs later on as I go through the presentation. So in thinking about a new CRM system and where we come in with the systems and our advice, what we want to get at is, what are you hoping to achieve? Are you replacing an older CRM system? Are you just starting up in business? Do you need a central system to manage your sales and marketing and track quotes more effectively, acquire more customers, or improve customer service? It could be a combination of those, and we really would want to get to the bottom of that to help further strengthen the case for CRM, a new CRM system within your business with GoldMine, supplied by Wizard Systems. Okay, let me take you into GoldMine proper then, and just give you a brief overview of the interface. Now, if this presentation is of interest to you and you are looking for a new CRM system, then please contact Wizard Systems and we would be more than happy to give you more of a one-to-one demonstration. Surely you must have special requirements. You may feel that you're not, you handle your sales processes in a particular way, the products and services you've got, the type of clients you've got. Everyone's different. One size doesn't fit all. So we would be very happy to show you GoldMine exclusively to your company and your contacts to assist you in making the decisions on GoldMine and see how it could be tailored to fit your business. But this is an example of a record in GoldMine, a record of a customer in GoldMine. This is a Windows application, so the interface will be very familiar to most people. And you have here an example of a client record. And in the top half of the screen, we've got all the main information about this customer. Now, this is pretty much what you're going to get with GoldMine, something very similar to this, but all these fields can be moved around, changed. You can decide when you click into a field, what are the drop-down entries to that field. You may have some common entries. So it's very easy to create these fields and create these standard entries that go into them. Then running across the bottom, or rather the middle of the customer record, is a row of tabs. You can have more tabs or less tabs, but these will allow you to, when you click on these, of course, display more detailed information in that area about that customer. So any basic notes about that client, any activities you're doing about that customer, line by line there, all of the interactions you're doing and your colleagues are doing with that customer. Maybe marketing emails that you've sent to the customer. What have you sent them? What did they click on? What did they open? Which pages on your website did they visit? Did they subsequently unsubscribe, or did an email hard bounce? You'll be able to get all that information as well, linked to the correct email marketing system. You've got a way of tracking documents also. Any documents or file relating to the client can be in there, and so on. Any information that's important to you will be just a few clicks away. Now, standing back and thinking, well, I log into the system in the morning. How do I manage my working day? Well, there's a very simple calendar, easy to use calendar in the system to help you see what's going on with not only your activities, but the ability to see other people's activities as well. We've got dashboards in the system, so this will help you as we use GoldMine. This information is being updated all the time, and we can see what inquiries are coming in, what sales are expected, how many activities we're doing, and so on. So a very easy way of displaying key information to you, helping you manage your customers more efficiently, helping you share information as well, easy to find information, thereby improving your efficiency, your productivity, and your customer service and teamwork. So that's a quick rundown of GoldMine. There's many other aspects to it, but I just wanted to give you a flavor of the interface on this session. But I'd repeat again, if you do want to see it in a bit more detail and you've got some special requirements, please contact us for a one-to-one to schedule a one-to-one demonstration with your organization. So just a quick rundown now of pricing. Now, pricing does depend on the number of licenses you need. GoldMine is a concurrent user license. So you buy, there's a one-off cost for a license. You buy a license, you own it, it will never be taken away from you, it will never expire. It will keep going and going and going. So there's a one-off price for it from 475, but you've got to talk to us about your requirements, because there could be promotions depending on when you contact us. There could be promotions available, and the price does go down considerably if you have more than one license. We can also speak to you about maintenance and support options, and a key element to a successful CRM implementation would be correct setup, deployment, and training, which the systems offer lots of services to help you get your system set up, tailored to your requirements, and importing data from other systems. So if you've got an Excel spreadsheet of existing information, that can be normally easily uploaded to the GoldMine system. We can also provide any kind of training for you as well at any sort of level with GoldMine. Now, that training can be delivered to you online. This event recording is October 2020, so most things are done online at the moment, but when it's safe to do so, we're able to visit you, or you can come to our training centre in Bristol, UK. So please contact us for details on all of that. But once we know your requirements in a discussion, then we can give you a formal proposal, which will itemize all the things that you need and the cost for those, so you can make your decision. But the key thing here is that GoldMine is a one-off payment, and you're not tied into a subscription, as might be the case with other CRM solutions out there. So over time, if you think that you could be using this several years, this could end up to be a very cost-effective, a very affordable solution for you. So that's me done then on the basic overview, a quick run through of GoldMine and its key capabilities. So if you've got any questions, please pop those into the question box on your meeting control panel, and I'll do my best to answer those. Those listening live, you will get a link to the recording of this presentation as well. So just be patient. After about a day or so, you will get an email from our system with a link to the recording. And it will be up on our YouTube channel as well. Just go up to Wizard Systems. That's our channel name on YouTube. And you'll see loads and loads of other GoldMine and CRM videos up there. First question from John. Can you import from ACT? Well, we've done many successful implementations of transfers from ACT, John. So yes, pretty much everything that you've got in ACT can be migrated to GoldMine. And maybe when you're transferring from an old CRM system to new system, it's an opportunity to review the data that you've got. It's a good time to maybe do a little bit of data cleaning, deduplication of your data, which GoldMine can do for you as well. So yes, we can transfer everything, but maybe there's some older stuff that you don't want to bring over or unused fields. It's a good opportunity to check that, to make sure that you're starting off the new system with clean data. Okay, thanks very much for that. Dom, typically, how much time for a setup? That is very difficult to answer. It could be an hour or so if you've got a very simple setup requirement, or you're just going to run GoldMine as it is out of the box, so to speak. Or some implementations could be a lot longer, quite a few hours, quite a few days, depending on the complexity of your data transfer, or what you want GoldMine to do, or particular processes you want to track in GoldMine, or maybe any special reports you want created. It can be difficult to say. So anywhere from an hour or so to maybe several days if your requirements are a bit more sophisticated. But once we have a chat with you, Dom, then we can get a better understanding of requirements and give you an approximate indication of time. Okay, well, thanks very much for your questions there, and those listening live for your attendance. If you want to have a demonstration of the system, or you want more information on pricing and costs or any other aspect of GoldMine, please get in touch with Wizard Systems or myself, Tim Wilmot, tim@wizard-systems.com. But thanks for watching live, and we'll catch up with you next time. Thanks very much indeed. Bye-bye.